Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do a Google reverse image search. So if you ever found a picture and wonder where it came from, whether you're trying to find a higher quality versions of photo, checking if a photo is real, or looking for that one pair of shoes you saw on Pinterest, reverse image search is your best friend. And in here I'm going to show you how you can do it on Android or mobile. So first you can just open your browser, and in here you can just go to this page, image.google.com, and now you can just click on the let's use mobile. Okay, click on the camera icon on the search bar, and then you can just upload your file or paste the image link directly. For example, I'm going to just find this one in here, and then you can search a specific area that you want to you can adjust the specific area that you want to find, for example like this, and Google Lens will give you the exact matches for your photos like this. If you want to buy something, you can just go to products, and here you can click on the link and it will direct you to your favorite marketplace. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this simple tutorial helped you. If this guys help you, smash that like button, subscribe, and also leave a comment if you have question. And don't forget to also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.